You might be here because you got the same problem I do. American Standard toilet, but the toilet seat lid somehow didn't like move all over the place. Anyway, we're gonna take this off, get rid of it entirely. I've got a replacement that's gonna go on here. It's got a bidet installed too. And yeah, I'll show you how. Let's get after it. All right, first thing, lift up the two lids. Inside here, push the buttons in, and this lifts right off. I don't know what the idea is with these, but they're kind of wonky, you know? Like the seat goes everywhere. Why do you want a seat? Doesn't matter. We gotta crack these up and off. Just lift up here, take these off. That's the screws we need right there. We can lift these things right out. You might have to pull up on it while you're doing it to keep the screw coming out. Yeah. Now we clean. Gross. Yeah. And pull up real hard on it while I'm doing it. Maybe that helps. Supposedly, what a dumb design. All right, plan B. Let's try this. All right, this hidden bolt design is not good. Don't buy this kind of toilet. It's so stupid. Ow. There we go. All right, now that we've got at this point, this Delta toilet seat, the way it goes together, screw through the silver washer that's like offset into the plastic through this thing, and then these things, this one screws in like that. The idea being is you poke this in, and as this gets tightened up, it's gonna start splitting this thing out and around, and it'll fatten up, and it'll slip. Anyway, that's how it goes together. We're gonna put it in there. We gotta poke this old one through. It's too fat to fit with it. I was hoping we could keep it in, but it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna push the other ones down through. And then one last cleaning. Set them down like that so they're ready. This plate's next. Let's set it right, oops, upside down. So the rubber goes down, put it over top. And then you're gonna wanna adjust these to where they look like they're gonna sit down flush. All right, I kind of failed my mission. I was out of focus, and not only that, the battery on the camera died. But anyway, hope you get the point. These go screw down tight. This is 1,000 times better than the original one this toilet came with. We're gonna put this new one on, this Delta one. It's already just proven to be so much better. So this whole thing can slide forward and backwards, right? So we need to slide this on and see where it's at. The secret release button. Come on. Well, you've got a good view of my back. That's nice. What the hell's going on? It's gonna be too far back, I think. Let's go forward 1/2 inch. All right, let's do that before we get too far with all this. Now that we got the alignment figured out, we can screw it down again. I'm an idiot. It's backwards. Okay, for future reference, this tab, it goes the other way. Pretty easy fix though, right? That looks better. Okay, let's try it again. Oh, look, it slides right on. There we go. Look at that. And it doesn't have those big old wiggle wobbles like the other one did. Yes. Step 1, turn off the water. Don't forget, flush the toilet. Let the pressure go out. Next, undo the one on the back. That's the one. Well, we're gonna screw that into this. Hand tight's fine. Now, install that onto the side right here. The straight end goes on here, the curved end goes on the toilet seat. Tight, but don't kill it, right? It's just rubber. There we go. Now this should be able to go back on. Unfortunately, this is hard to see.
This toilet sucks. This hidden nonsense, like, ooh, toilet plumbing, gotta be hidden away, otherwise it might be ugly, and then you can see it. That would be bad or something. Okay.
Tight. Now, turn on the water slowly. Now we gotta look for leaks, right? I think we're good. Okay, the moment you've all been waiting for. Oh, I don't want to do it too much, it's gonna spray out us. Oh, here it goes. Ooh, it even has another mode. What? It's got 2 ones. Look at this. One's for like pee and one's for poo or something. Okay, cool.